Rolex watches are more than just luxury timepieces, they hold fascinating secrets. Did you know Rolex isn't originally Swiss? Founded in London by Hans Wilsdorf in 1905, it moved to Geneva in 1919. In the 1960s, the Quartz Crisis threatened Rolex's future. The introduction of Seiko's quartz watch forced Rolex to adapt, creating battery-powered models until mechanical watches regained popularity in 2001. Rolex's most controversial model? The 2004 Daytona with a leopard print design. Surprisingly, this bold choice has become a sought-after investment piece. Rolex's success formula? It began with the first Chronometer-certified wristwatch in 1914, catering to explorers and divers, proving its versatility beyond luxury. But not everything was smooth sailing. Wilsdorf cleverly marketed the Submariner, despite it being a name already used by another brand. He even faced backlash for claiming the invention of the self-winding movement, which predated Rolex. The name Rolex is shrouded in mystery. Wilsdorf wanted a catchy five-letter name that sounded luxurious, and Rolex was born, though its true meaning remains unknown. Interestingly, Rolex operates as a charity under the Hans Wilsdorf Foundation, allowing it to avoid public financial disclosures and enjoy tax benefits. Some of Rolex's biggest failures turned into valuable treasures. Watches with manufacturing defects like the spider dial are now highly coveted. Want a budget-friendly Rolex? Tudor, a brand created by Wilsdorf, uses Rolex parts and offers a more affordable option. And who could forget the quirky collaboration with Domino's Pizza? A franchisee earned a Rolex for hitting sales targets, leading to a unique Air King watch featuring the Domino's logo. These intriguing facts deepen appreciation for Rolex, a brand synonymous with precision and innovation.